YouTube? It's a different video today, but we got the dirt bike and the jump in the back, and we are going to be touring around in some local spots. That being said, my truck is empty, needs some gas, so that's the first stop. Then we're going to go hit some spots, and then I got one spot planned, a little bit of an urban jump planned in the middle of town. So we're going to see if we can hit that today and hopefully not get in some trouble. Should be good. Alrighty, we are at the first spot of the day. I seen this driving down the road this spring, and I'm like, hey, I got a session this spot. Really cool spot. Got the jump, so I'm hoping set the jump up right around here and jump to like around here and then jump down. There's like a backside down there and do like a step down kind of thing. Be sick. Next spot is right where my truck's parked. Just put a jump right here. And there's a steep drop right down there that you could use as a landing. So maybe we'll hit that. So let's gear up, get ready to go. Well, this is scenic. Cool spot. Oh, that's big. We're coming up, just shredding right. And you're jumping basically to those two trees is where the downside is. I'm hoping just first gear because I have a pretty bad run up, but we'll see here. Alrighty, really sick spot, pretty chill. Time to session the thing. On that spot, so now we're gonna move the truck and hit this gap over here. Here we are. That was a heavy learning section, or session, so I think I'm going to call it there. Stoked to learn a can-can. Easy a trick, but not for me apparently. So we finally got it. Felt good. If you like this video, subscribe and come watch the rest.